This is Dosie's first car wash. Let's see if he likes it. What is that, boy? Oh, it's okay. It's okay.